Hey y'all, it's your girl Danielle from True Love's Natural Beauty. I'm back with another hair tutorial. This time it's mini twists with beads, y'all. If you like what you see, please do me a favor and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below to engage with me. Now, let's get into it. I have already blow dried my hair out straight using my stretch and pull method. I like doing this because my hair density is fine and I feel like it holds length better because I'm not pulling and fighting the strands, causing my hair to pop off, preventing length retention. I mean, I'm all about hair growth and growing black hair long down my back. I'm trying to get me a natural bust down, okay? So right here you can see I'm doing a 2-in-1. I twist and put the bead on with the beater as I go. I already have about 5 beaters ready. It saves time. I do this when I have clients that are getting beads too, like my little girls and stuff like that. Now as I twist, you should be able to see what I mean when I say my hair has like fine density. It's thick but fine. Without these beads, my hair be looking boneless unless I don't stretch it out. But then the hair shrinks, but it is fluffy. But then I'm looking like a little boy. Let me know in the comments if y'all want me to do a tutorial on mini twists without stretching the hair first and using a cream or a gel. This time I'm using a small amount of braid jam. It's a little cheat code to see my hair growth over time. Everybody in the natural hair community knows that twist is like having locks in your hair. They grow super fast due to less manipulation on the hair. Okay, kids, close your eyes. This part ain't for you. Mama don't get a lot of time to herself, so this part of mama relaxing time. All my beauties should know what's up. If not, I'm sure you have somewhere relaxing. This me right now. Back to business at hand. Okay, yes, cute. Now y'all see in the back. I'm about to be halfway done. It's giving, I'm liking how it looks so far. Them parts is looking pretty good. At first I was a little concerned about my parting, but it's pretty good. Once it get all together, it's gonna come together. Stay with me to the end, y'all. Stay with me to the end. I am going ahead and brushing out my edges. Like I said in my last video, the Storytime stitch braid tutorial video that I did. If you didn't see it, go check it out. I'll leave a card right up here at the top. Like I said in that video, leaving your edges out isn't just for cosmetic beauty purposes. It actually protects your edges, so you're not pulling on them, you're not causing tension on them, and you can keep them growing and keep them thick and strong. So you don't always have to do them with edge control and stuff like that, because like I said before, it causes headaches sometimes and it seeps into your brain. So be careful with edge control, but you can leave your edges out. That is okay. I do agree with that. So now I'm parting out the front of my hair. Smaller sections in the front because my hair is fine but thick but fine. So yeah, when I stretch it I have to part out smaller sections, put the beads on, and here I go. Stay with me, y'all. If y'all liking what y'all see, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if y'all like what y'all see. I'll be putting up more tutorials in the future.
If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. Don't you go nowhere. 'Cause I grow hair. True love's not too beauty. I grow hair. True love's not too beauty.
Yes, I am a third of the way done. Let's keep rolling. Okay.
If you I grow hair.
Right here is the part where I want to give up. Right here is the part where my arms start hurting. I get aggravated. I'm hungry. But you know what? I look at my hair. I see progress. And it's just like life. I'm almost there. Don't give up. You're almost there. Keep going. Stay with me, y'all. Stay with me.
Then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. Don't you
Okay, y'all, I'm like, who is she talking to? Y'all might be like, who is she talking to? Okay, I am talking to my husband and my kids. Okay, so that's what I'm talking to. If y'all see my lips moving and y'all don't see nobody, they're in the background and they know I'm doing a video. So that's who I'm talking to, y'all.
I grow hair. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty.
Okay, so I hope y'all can kind of see how I'm beading my hair with the beads. If you're not sure or you don't know how to put the beads on with the beater, just try to watch me or slow the video down a little bit more and see how I did the beading if you have a hard time. But I tried to make sure my hands was in front of the camera so that you all could see. So let's enjoy it. Let's keep going.
If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true. I grow hair. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. Don't you go nowhere. 'Cause I grow hair. True love's not too beauty. I grow hair. True love's not too beauty. I grow hair. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. Don't you go nowhere. 'Cause I grow hair. True love's not too beauty. I grow hair. True love's not too beauty. I grow hair. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty.
Okay, as y'all can see, I'm using some braid jam for my edges. This is like my favorite part, but like the hard part because my edges are like kind of long and weird. And it's not that they're long, it's the fact that certain edge control does not hold on my hair, even though I have fine hair. It's like it's a mixture of coarse and fine, because when I put certain edge controls on my hair, it'll make my forehead really sweaty. And I got a big forehead, so I can't risk that. So I have to find a thick enough edge control that holds well for my edges. And they're long, so I have to make sure I design them properly. But y'all watch. Here we go. The final reveal is on the way. Stay tuned.
I grow hair. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you. I grow hair. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. Don't you go nowhere. 'Cause I grow hair. True love's not too beauty. I grow hair. True love's not too beauty. I grow hair. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If it ain't true love, not too beauty. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love's not too beauty. If it ain't true love's not too beauty. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love's not too beauty. Don't you go nowhere. 'Cause I grow hair. True love's not too beauty. I grow hair. True love's not too beauty. I grow hair. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love's not too beauty. If it ain't true love's not too beauty. If you thinking about your hair, then don't you go nowhere. If it ain't true love's not too beauty. Don't you go nowhere. 'Cause I grow hair. True love's not too beauty. I grow hair. True love's not too beauty.
And boom, here she go, nice and cute. I told y'all to wait, I told y'all to give me a minute, trust the process. See, it's giving, it's cute. I'm loving it. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep the beads in because, you know, all that click clacking, I ain't feeling all that. But for right now, it's really cute. I'll probably keep the beads in for about 2 weeks. Then I'll take the beads out and wear it natural for about another week or 2. Then I'm on to the next hairstyle to give y'all another tutorial on the way. Stay tuned. It's your girl Danielle, True Look Natural Beauty, about to sign out. If you like what you seen, like, share, subscribe, and please comment below. Engage. Help me help you. Let's help each other.